Pestilence here, and a few things. An update on my electrolysis, and the update is I have not started it. It's been really cold here in Michigan, as I imagine it is around the country and other places around the world, and the battery on my car has been draining. It doesn't want to keep a charge when it gets really, really cold. You know, like below freezing and that sort of thing. And when it gets to be in the minus numbers. That being said, I've had to use the battery charger for its intended purpose, to charge the battery. And so, no battery charger, no electrolysis. However, excuse me, it is warming up, and so hopefully we will get back up into the warmer temperatures near the averages for this month, which would be nice. And so then I will be able to do that. Also, well, I won't complain. I want to complain, but I won't. Okay. Here is my latest buy. And if you don't know what it is a lock, obviously. And where is the keyhole? Well, unfortunately the keyhole was extra. This is, they call them trick padlocks, and I have seen them. I saw one. It was listed as a Nuremberg casket padlock. Casket referring to small boxes that were used for keeping valuables and that sort of thing. They were often, I guess, back in the 1600s, which would be the, I believe, the 16th, 17th century, referred to as caskets, I believe. Otherwise, it makes no sense for them calling it a casket lock. Anyway, so I had seen a Nuremberg casket lock like this with a key, and I wanted it and couldn't afford it, and it sold. So then within a couple of months, it was back on eBay for sale. And this time I put in more of an effort and still didn't get it. Excuse me. Well, this time, this is a different lock. But it is the same type of lock. Who made this, I am not sure, since there are no markings on it. I have found a patent for an American who patented a lock, but not this one. Anyway, so how do you get it open? Well, the seller did not tell me, and it came locked up, and so I had to quickly do some research, and thankfully they seem to all have the same general means of opening it, and that is a vertical bar on this side that you have to push, and come on, you can do it. Got to start working out more. There we go. Okay. And so there we are. And unlike the other ones, this one is the only one I've seen with that type of keyway. So I made more of a concerted effort into obtaining this one. So I'll show that nice close up. Now I've seen a couple others that have been listed that were listed as Georgian trick locks. from the time of George III. And so they were, I think it was late 1700s, early 1800s. So not sure what the date is on this one though. And don't know about getting it open. Yeah, that's quite a. I'm sure that it's not any trickier than the other ones. So I'd hate to keep saying so, or or anything. What I will do is try to explore the keyway, and if I am successful in getting it picked open, then of course I will let you know. However, I do want to be careful, as I do not want to damage it, which is why I didn't want to try to pry it open. And that is that. I hope you found it informative, what information I could give you. It is a very interesting lock, very small, but very nice, in very good condition. Thanks for watching. Take care. Stay legal. Bye.